Hey guys, Tech Adventure with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to use your iPhone to recognize audio or music and have the iPhone tell you the title and the artist as well if it can find it. And it's a really neat feature that's going to be available if you have a phone that's updated to iOS 14.2 or later. So if you want to check your update, you can simply go into settings, check general, about, and make sure in the software update it's 14.2 or later. As you can see, we're updated to iOS 15. This feature will not be available if you don't have a iPhone that's at least iOS 14.2 or later. Once you have that, simply you're going to go into settings, and now you're going to want to go to Control Center. Once you go to Control Center, you're going to look for an option known as music recognition, and then you're going to click on that plus icon. Once you have done that, it will come up here. Now that feature, music recognition, or Shazam, what it used to be called in the past, is going to be available for you to activate. So whenever you're listening to an audio file or anything, or if you can even sing it yourself, it could recognize the name of the song and tell you the name of the song. And to show you guys how that works, it's going to be really straightforward. To activate this feature, you're going to click on that. It's going to be blue, and then you're going to play your audio. And as you can see here, it was able to, within a couple seconds of playing it, it was able to recognize the audio and then give us that audio right here, and then you can actually go for it. So we're not using a really popular song because of copyright issue, but if we play it again and then activate this, as you can see here again, it was able to recognize that audio and the title and then the artist as well. So hopefully you guys find this feature really helpful. It's one of the features that we recently discovered and started to use it, especially if you're listening on the radio or hear some sound or song on somewhere and you want to know the name of it, use that feature. So hopefully this was helpful. If this was helpful, please make sure that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.